Hello students, welcome to topperseducation.com. In this video we are going to discuss NCERT class 9 chapter 1, that is number systems. In this chapter we are going to discuss example problems in exercise 1.5. Let us see some of the examples. Here is the some examples, that is first one is simplify following expressions. They have given some of the expressions and we should simplify them, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Now let us see the first one, that is 5 plus root 7 into 2 plus root 5. Now let us solve this. Here let us separate the brackets, that is 5 into 2 plus root 5 plus root 7 into 2 plus root 5, that equals to, here 5 into 2, that is 10, and 5 into root 5, 5 root 5, plus 2 into root 7, that is 2 root 7, and root 7 into root 5, that is root 35. As we already know that root a into root b equals to root ab, common root. And this is the simplification for this given expression. And now let us see second one, that is 5 plus root 5 into 5 minus root 5. Here it is a and b. This is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. As we already know that a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square, that is 5 square minus root 5 whole square, that equals to 5 square is nothing but 25 and root 5 whole square is nothing but 5, that is 25 minus 5 is 20, and this is the second one. And let us see another one, that is here root 3 plus root 7 whole square. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. We know that the formula a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is 3 square plus root 7 whole square plus 2 into root 3 into root 7, that equals to root 3 whole square is 3 and root 7 whole square is 7, and 2 into root 3 into root 7 is nothing but 2 root 21. And when we add this, 10 plus 2 root 21 we will get. And let us see another one, that is root 11 minus 7 into root 11 plus 7. This is also in the form of a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square, root 11 whole square minus root 7 whole square, that equals to 11 minus 7 equals to 4, because here square and root get cancelled in both terms and we will have 11 minus 7, that equals to 4. This is the one of the example. And now here let us see another one, that is here we will end this with one of the problem, that is let us take, that is 1 by root 2. Here 1 by root 2 is an irrational number, we know that. As here you know that it is irrational, but it may be easier to find and to solve this if the denominator is a rational number, that is 1 by 2, but it is irrational. So now let us see, we can solve this problem by using rationalizing, that is if we can rationalize the denominator, this will make the given number into rational number. Now let us see how can we solve this. Here, that is rationalize the denominator of 1 by root 2. Here 1 by root 2 is given, it is an irrational number and we should convert it into rational number by rationalization process, that is how to do it. Let us see. Here given 1 by root 2 and we want to write this 1 by root 2 as an equivalent expression in which the denominator will be converted into rational numbers. Here we know that already, as we seen in examples, that is root 2 into root 2. These two are irrational numbers. When we multiply two irrational numbers, we will get as 2, that is rational number. So similarly, we should do this by using rationalization, that is 1 by root 2 to be rationalized, that is by root 2. When we multiply this 1 by root 2 with root 2 by root 2, then the rationalization process will come. And now here this root 2 by root 2 is nothing but 1. So we put these two facts together. These two to be put together, we will get 1 by root 2 into root 2 by root 2. Here root 2 by root 2 is nothing but 1. And now we will multiply this, that is 1 into root 2 is root 2 and root 2 into root 2, 2. And when we divide this, we will get 1 by root 2 only. And now it is the rational number. Our required number is root 2 by 2. And this is the required rational number. In this form, it is easy to locate this 1 by root 2 on the number line. And it is the halfway between 0 and 2. And this is the process. And now let us see some of the examples in rationalization process. Here is some examples of rationalization, that is here rationalize the denominator of 1 by 2 plus root 3. Here we have the denominator as addition, that is 2 plus root 3. Now we should rationalize this given number. Here we use the identity, that is given 1 by 2 plus root 3. Now this 1 by 2 plus root 3 can be rationalized by using 1 by 2 plus root 3. Here we have plus, we should keep minus, that is rationalized by 2 minus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Now we will do this, that is in the numerator we will get 2 minus root 3, and in the denominator this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. We know that a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square, that is 2 square minus b root 3 whole square, that equals to 2 minus root 3 divided by 4 minus 3, that equals to 2 minus root 3 by 1. And the rationalization of 1 by 2 plus root 3 is 2 minus root 3, 2 minus root 3. This is the rationalization. And similarly, the next one is rationalize 5 by root 3 minus root 5. This is also similar. We should rationalize it. Root 3 minus root 5 into root 3 plus root 5 by root 3 plus root 5. And now 5 into root 3 plus root 5 divided by, this is also a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, that equals to 5 root 3 plus 5 root 5 by 3 square, that is 3 and 5. And here 5 root 3 plus 5 root 5 by minus 2. In the denominator we get minus term. and this can be written as minus 5 by 2 into root 3 plus root 5, and this is the rationalization of given number, that is 5 divided by root 3 minus root 5. And now let us see another one, that is rationalize 1 by 7 plus 3 root 2, and this can be done 1 by 7 plus 3 root 2, this should be rationalized, that is 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 7 minus 3 root 2, that equals to, here in the numerator 1 into 7 minus 3 root 2 is nothing but 7 minus 3 root 2, and in the denominator a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, that is 3 root 2 whole square, that equals to 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 7 minus 3 into root 2 whole square, that is 3 square is nothing but 9, and root 2 whole square is 2, that equals to 7 minus 3 root 2 by, here 7 square is nothing but 14, 9, and 9 into 2 18, and from this 7 minus 3 root 2 by 49 minus 18 is 31, that is 31. This is the rationalization of 1 by 7 plus 3 root 2. These are the some of the example problems in exercise 1.5. In the next video we will discuss exercise 1.5 problems. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the channel notifications.